So Rode just came out with their Wireless Go 3. And you might be wondering where this fits in with their other mics in the lineup. I mean, it does come in a variety of different colors. And it does have some of the best audio recording technology in the market, especially if you want some of the best sound without worrying about any clipping. But there's more, and also, as you can tell, I'm using the Wireless Go 3 right now to record this video, and we'll be using it throughout the video so you know what it sounds like. But let's just see what this can do and also see where this fits in with their lineup.
Yes, I love technology.
By the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you like gadgets and gear, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't be a stranger. Also, if you can hit that thumbs up button, that would help out this video a lot. And I'll put links to everything down in the description. Also, Rode did send this to me so I could play around with it and share my thoughts with you guys. But I actually did get the original Rode Wireless Go when it first came out and made a whole video on that. And guess what? It's wireless. It's Tuesday. That was a long time ago. And it was also a revolutionary product at the time. And they've made it better with every iteration of this. And this is not a history lesson, but looking at the Wireless Go series, the new Generation 3 is a significant upgrade from the Generation 2. And that's mainly due to the 32-bit float built-in recording. And you might be saying, isn't the Wireless Go the same thing as the Wireless Pro? And you'd be right to think that. In many ways, it's the same thing, except the Pro series costs $100 more because it comes with the lavalier mics and it comes with the charging case. Plus it has timecode sync for those professionals. And the Wireless Go 3 actually comes with the receiver and 2 transmitters. It also comes with a carry pouch, a USB-C to USB-C for smartphone or computer connection, and USB-C to Lightning for older iPhones, plus a TRS cable for cameras, and it comes with wind muffs that are very easy just to pop on and twist to keep them from falling off. But also they have this little charging stick where you can put the devices on there and then you can just plug this thing right in to charge them all, or even plug them into your computer to access them all with the Rode Central app. The mics are very simple with the classic Rode square look and the Rode logo on the front. It has a built-in mic on the top with the same upgraded capsules and preamps as the Wireless Pro, and this also has access to external mics or lavaliers with a locking mechanism to keep them from popping out. It uses 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission and 128-bit encryption, which is basically latency-free and gives you a range up to 150 feet or 230 meters, which is a very long distance. And with that 32-bit recording, you can really record from any length or anywhere really. Just have it recording internally and then you can sync it up in post, so it really doesn't matter about the distance. And that 32-bit float gives a bigger frequency spectrum, which keeps it from clipping if you're going to be yelling into it, or keeps it from being too quiet if you're a low talker. With the receiver, you have intelligent gain assistant technology to automatically balance the levels on the fly, plus granular gain adjustments and tailored camera presets to allow for a more refined control. There's an output for cameras, but you can also plug in headphones to monitor the sound, and that works especially good if you are just plugging it into your smartphone. There is a bright LCD display to show the audio levels, and also you can adjust settings with the dedicated buttons for starting and stopping recording, or even changing from mono to stereo. It also has automatic plug-in power detect for external battery life, which is a great thing. So when you unplug it, it will automatically turn off. You can connect it to the Rode apps on your computer or your smartphone to discover more settings and features. And to top it off, this is compatible with the Rodecaster Pro 2, Rodecaster Duo, Rodecaster Video, Wireless Pro, and Interview Pro. For example, the Rodecaster Duo over here, I can wirelessly connect these microphones to that without any receiver, just making it super easy and simple. If you're doing a podcast or any kind of live streaming, or even the Rodecaster Video, you can connect it that way, again, with no receivers, just making it that much easier and also wireless. So all in all, I think this is actually the appropriate upgrade from the Wireless Go 2, and the price point puts it in the right spot for creators out there that want dual wireless mics and most likely won't need lavaliers, but there is the option to add it. If you're only using your smartphone and you want something smaller, you can go for the Rode Wireless Micro, but that doesn't have options for internal recording or options for external microphones or lavs. But if you needed the more professional setup, you can jump up to the Wireless Pros and get those extra lavs, get the timecode sync, and also get the charging case. Or if you're just a solo creator, you can check out the Wireless Me, and that's one that can just sit on your camera while you're talking, and also gives you an option for another microphone as well. But as you can see, they have a huge lineup, and Rode is an Australian company that is known for their quality products and quality sound design. So check out the description because I'll put all of these different microphones on there so you can compare and check out the most current and up-to-date price. But that's it for today's video. Stay tuned to the channel because I have a lot of really cool gear to share with you, just stuff coming out all the time. And if you want to see some other cool Rode products, I have them on the screen. You can check out the Rodecaster Duo, you can check out the Rodecaster Video, you can check out the Interview Pro, or even the Wireless Pro. I have all those videos there. I can almost have my own Rode playlist. Actually, I probably should. So click one of these and I'll see you there.